How to queue songs on YouTube TV. YouTube TV primarily focuses on live TV and recorded shows, but if you're using the YouTube app on your TV, you can easily queue songs into a playlist. Follow these steps to build a music queue. Method 1. Queue songs. Using the YouTube app on TV. Open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app, not YouTube TV, on your smart TV or streaming device. Search for song. Use the search icon, magnifying glass, to enter the name of the song or music video. Add to queue. Highlight the song in the search results. Press the options button on your remote or tap more options on screen. Select Add to queue or Play Next if available. View the queue, press the up arrow or open the queue panel, depending on your TV interface. Your selected songs will be listed and playback will continue in the order added. Method 2. Queue songs using a mobile device, cast to TV. Open the YouTube app on mobile. Launch the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Connect to TV, tap the cast icon in the upper right corner and select your TV or streaming device. Add songs to the queue. Search for a song or music video in the app. Tap the options menu next to the song and choose Add to queue or Play Next. Control playback. Use your mobile device as a remote to manage the queue. You can reorder songs or remove tracks as needed. Method 3. Use YouTube Premium. Optional. If you subscribe to YouTube Premium, you can create playlists and build custom playlists for continuous playback. You can also download and play music offline on your mobile device. Important notes. Queue persistence. The queue resets after closing the YouTube app on your TV. Live TV restriction. YouTube TV does not support song queuing. Use the YouTube app instead. Cross-device sync queues, created on mobile sync automatically when casting to a TV. By following these steps, you can easily create and manage music queues on YouTube using either your TV, mobile device, or YouTube Premium.